Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download HubSpot Sales extension and track outreach emails, complete guide step by step clearly. To download the HubSpot Sales extension, start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Chrome Web Store by typing Chrome Web Store into the search bar. Once in the store, type HubSpot Sales into the search field. Locate the official HubSpot Sales extension in the search results. Click on the extension to open its details page. Review the extension's features and user ratings for assurance. Click the Add to Chrome button. A pop-up window will appear, asking for confirmation. Click Add Extension to proceed with the installation. The download will begin, and the extension will automatically install in your browser. Look for the HubSpot icon in the upper right corner of your Chrome window once the installation is complete. Next, click the HubSpot icon to sign into your HubSpot account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one by following the on-screen prompts. After signing in, navigate to your email client, such as Gmail or Outlook. Compose a new email that you want to send to your outreach list. You will notice the HubSpot Sales extension interface integrated into your email window. Make sure to enable tracking for the email by clicking the tracking options available. You can choose to receive notifications when your email is opened or clicked. Once you're ready, send your email. To track your outreach emails, return to your HubSpot dashboard. Look for the Sales section and click on Email Tracking. Here, you will find analytics on the emails you sent. You can see who opened your email, when it was opened, and whether any links were clicked. This data allows you to gauge the effectiveness of your outreach efforts. If necessary, adjust your email strategy based on the tracking results. With these steps, you can easily download the HubSpot Sales extension and start tracking your outreach. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.